Welcome to the 5-Minute Squat Challenge. This challenge is designed to help you build strength and endurance in your lower body while also improving your balance and flexibility. Before you begin, make sure you have a clear space to work in and wear comfortable clothing that allows you to move freely. You'll also want to have a timer or stopwatch handy to track your progress. Here are the steps for the challenge. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes pointed slightly outward. Your arms can be by your sides or in front of you for balance. Lower your body down into a squat position by bending your knees and pushing your hips back. Keep your weight on your heels and your chest lifted. Hold the squat position for as long as you can. Try to keep your thighs parallel to the ground and your knees pointing in the same direction as your toes. If you need to, you can use your hands to balance yourself by placing them on your thighs or on the ground in front of you. Once you can no longer hold the squat position, stand up and take a short break to rest your legs. Repeat the squat hold for as many times as you can in 5 minutes. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of the challenge. Focus on your form. Make sure you're maintaining good posture throughout the challenge. Keep your chest lifted and your weight on your heels. Breathe deeply. Take deep breaths as you hold the squat position. This will help you relax and stay focused. Pace yourself. Don't go too hard too fast. Start with shorter squat holds and gradually work your way up to longer ones. Challenge yourself. If the challenge starts to feel easy, try holding the squat position for longer periods of time. Stay motivated. Remember why you're doing this challenge and stay motivated to reach your goals. After you complete the challenge, take a few minutes to stretch your legs and hips. You can also do some light cardio to get your heart rate up and help your muscles recover. Good luck with the 5-Minute Squat Challenge. With dedication and practice, you can improve your lower body strength and endurance in no time.